In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPad is stuck in headphone mode. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just open the control center on your iPad, then tap on this icon on the media player. Now, if you find the name of your headphone over here, just select iPad speaker. After you select your iPad, the sound will start coming out of the speakers of your iPad instead of your headphones. But if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, now just follow the next step. Now, if your iPad has a headphone jack, just check if there is any dust or debris stuck in the headphone jack. Our iPad does not have a headphone jack, but if you have one, just clean it using a Q-tip. Just insert a dry and clean Q-tip in the headphone jack, and with that just clean the headphone jack and remove any dust or debris which might be stuck over there. After you do that, then just insert your headphone in the headphone jack and remove it. Now just do that for a few times. Then check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now, if your issue is still not fixed, then just open the control center on your iPad, then go to the connection section. And from here, if Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad, just turn it off. Because sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad might automatically connect to any external speaker or to your Bluetooth headphones, and this is why sound might not be coming out of the speakers of your iPad. But if this also did not work, then perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now once the force restart process has been completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPad, then tap on Reset. And from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then tap on Reset. Now it might ask you to enter the password of the lock screen of your iPad, but after you do that, then just tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will reset all the settings of your iPad. And do not worry, this option will not delete any data of your iPad. It will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you've done all that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if your iPad is stuck in headphone mode. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.